exposing the hidden magic in nature's secret corners, places where even Google Maps raises an eyebrow. Get set for a tour you'll never forget. Picture a blue lake tucked in a volcano's heart, so clear you can count the fish from above. Imagine a glowing cave where fireflies light up the walls like tiny lanterns. Or a pink sand beach where every wave leaves a rosy shimmer behind. There are forests carpeted with flowers that bloom only one night a year. Blink and you'll miss it. And hidden waterfalls, thundering through canyons no tourist ever sees. Nature hides her treasures where only the boldest explorers find them. Maybe it's a secret grove of rainbow-colored eucalyptus trees, or a valley where butterflies fill the air like confetti. These wonders are out there. Quiet, wild, and waiting. So next time you're outdoors, look closer. Who knows what hidden beauty you'll find?